So for the problem number 4, if the conditioned space receive 80,000 kilograms of air per hour and air supply temperature rises by about 10 degrees Celsius and air picks up latent heat of about 150 kilowatts. So the question is determine the sensible heat factor of the system. So ang choices is A is 0.597, B is 0.554, C is 0.612, and D is 0.509. So for the solution, we will use the sensible heat formula. So sensible heat is equal to mass times the specific heat times the delta T. So ikuha lang na to, i-substitute na nato ang mga value. So natin ikuha nga mass of 80,000 kg of air per hour. So i-convert na nato siya dito sa seconds. So ato na siya i-divide of 3600. So ang ato specific heat value is 1.005, then ang delta T is 10. So natin makuha nga sensible heat of 223.7 kilowatts, and then kuha na nato ang sensible heat factor. So ang sensible heat factor is equals to sensible heat over sensible heat plus latent heat. So naman tayo latent heat nga 150 kilowatts. So ato na siya i-solve. So ang atong sensible heat is 223.7 over 223.7 plus 150. So natin makuha ang sensible heat factor of 0.597, which is letter A.